What's going on, family? Welcome back to Crypto Gens. It's your favorite NFT expert, George Lee. Let's get into this. Today we've got a really fire video for you. Super excited to show you, but first please note the disclaimer. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this purely for educational purposes only. We can hang out, find some cool projects, and hopefully have a lot of fun doing it. So let's dive straight in. So Go Metarail is what we're talking about. It's super cool. You're gonna be massively impressed. Now the website is super easy to use. At the top you've got home, white paper, and the press releases. You do have this video here. I want you to go on the website and watch it yourself, otherwise it'll take too much time, but it really does embark you into this immersive Metarail world. Just scrolling down then, you want free metaverse stuff, you can see their collection. Like I said before, these are built around connecting the different metaverse worlds. In order for that to happen, we do have to get the collaborations right. I think they're gonna get it just by what I've researched. Imagine being in a metaverse world and being able to connect to another metaverse world. I don't think anyone's really thought about how we're gonna do that yet. So this is super exciting. The Metaverse Times is their social media sort of catalog. Really, really cool, a good play on it. And the project status is, we're in the seed phase. You know, if you watch me, if you follow me, please let in the comments. If you do follow me, we're super blessed. We're in the seed phase. Super cool to get in this early to any project, especially one with this insane theory behind connected metaverses. Then we're going to the pre-sale, then the ICO. They're going to launch the Go Meta coin on the Binance Smart Chain this year. That coin is going to be used to stake metaverse coins to earn rewards. That's what we like to see. Now, like I said, you're going to travel around this metaverse that we're building. Everybody's spending so much time building this metaverse, and nobody that I've seen yet has thought about how to connect them. So we're going to do that. You're going to have NFT tickets. So buying the tickets for the train is going to be NFTs. Travel between all the different gates that they're going to build through the metaverse worlds. And hopefully everyone that's building through this can start adopting it. So it wants the increased adoption. I want them to engage in the commerce of all of this that's happening. Use the Go Meta coin to earn high interest. So you can stake this coin. We like getting into projects where it's either nodes or staking because passive income is what we need to be able to just go and play in the metaverse all day. Otherwise, we've got real life bills that we need to take care of. Passive income. So staking, you can earn up to 25% on your favorite virtual world. It's got simple terms. You decide whether you want to stake it or not. You can stake it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It's complete your own choice. They've got membership tiers, so you can unlock tiers with the APR for elite members and things like that. It's the Go Meta, they call it, and flexible interest. Interest will be paid out weekly, and it is available to be withdrawn before you stake and term has ended. Now, they are absolutely visionized on making the metaverse better. So the exchange is going to help. So travelers can exchange their crypto without any gas fees. We all know you've probably bought some NFTs through this channel's recommendations. Gas fees on Ethereum are the most ridiculous thing in the crypto world. I'm sorry if anyone here is a diehard Ethereum fan. I love OpenSea, I love everything about it, but it is ridiculous how much you're paying gas fees. So no gas fees would be perfect. NFT tickets gives you seamless travel across the metaverse. The travel, obviously, is the reason that we're doing this video. And most importantly, the secure of the travel, okay? They have never lost an avatar yet, they claim here. Super cool play. Security is exactly what we want when we're dealing with NFTs and cryptos. Tokenomics, let's get into how we allocate all this. So pre-sale is gonna have 2%, airdrops 1%, seed round private sale, they're gonna have 15% and 2% together. Founders are 10%, advisors are 2%, liquidity is 8%, the marketing and ops are 10%, development's 20%, reserve 30%. Huge. It's locked for 1 year in the reserve. That's like most of projects. Do not worry about that. And it unlocks 25% per quarter. If you are trying to research this yourself, which I do recommend everyone do your own research, all the links are below. Again, I always say that links are below. Use trusted links, please, and have a look through it. The roadmap now. Obviously, I'm going to skip to where we started, but you can see December and January have already done. We're in March. If you're watching this video later, then we're probably moving on to the next phase. The initial selection, the virtual worlds evaluated, small number chosen. Then we move on to June, proof of the concept. First gates are going to be built and testing begins. That's when, June's a very important part. That's when we're going to really see if what they're promising and what I'm really excited about is actually going to happen. The initial launch will be in November. And then in January 2023, the network growth is going to be mind-bending. The virtual worlds will be added and the network's expanded. I've talked about the Meta Times. It's a really cool social media catalog play, and they're using it for the whitelist also. I will jump into a bit of the white paper and let you know, but first I want to show you some of the team. We've got Chris Augustine, who's the co-founder and CEO, Katie Augustine, CMO, Robert Augustine, who's co-founder and CFO, Do Augustine, CRO, Greg, I think it's Missy, and Blake Hackney and Ben Gothard. Please click on them. Have a look. You can click and see their links. Click on them, research them. I've done it. I'm very happy with what their niches are, how they've got expertise in this. That's what you want to be doing. The technology and partners, you can see right now. If you don't know anything about NFTs, if you're brand new and trying to learn about this, but you've been in the crypto world, you'll see some of these partners think, not bad. Infinity Boy, huge, massive. Legends of Mitra. I don't know why I did the accent, it's just cool. Legends of Mitra, they're very cool. Thanks for playing, awesome project. But on the right here, if you ever get involved in a project that has Binance partnered, you are to be sure that it is going to the moon, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, you've already seen the disclaimer, but as an educational guess, Binance being partnered means this is going to the rocketed moon. Going down, you've got the contact us page. Now, we have the contact us page. This is a company based out of Texas. It's super exciting. They do have 5,000 advanced full 3D NFTs. They're not just standard. I'm going to show you an example right now. Look at this, guys. It's the example of the NFTs I was just talking about. Look at the technology. Look at the detail in this 3D NFT that we're seeing right now. You can zoom in, zoom out, get on here. The link will be down below so you can have a look. It's just one example of it. I just wanted to pause it there so I could show you. You can actually stop it so you can move it around yourself and have a real good look into the train, into the sky, into the detail. This is what you're going to be buying your ticket on, to get from one world to another. Who knows, maybe we'll have one here on the channel, our own little world, and you might have to get a train to come and see us. That'll be super cool. Stay tuned for that. So we do have a club. It is the Go Metarail Club, and it gives you some really incredible perks. If you want to get involved in that club, please get involved, because you get stuff like airdrops, whitelist spots, you get Matic giveaways, in-game NFTs, everything like that, everything you'd be looking for, merch, exclusive minting windows for future collections, things like that. That's what we like to see. It's what they call the whitelist spots, the Go Metarail Club. You want to get involved so you can get all of this incredible things before the normal public can even know about them. I want to quickly show you this image that I have of the roadmap of what's going on right now. You can see the little train, the pink one here. We're at the giveaway stage. Then we're going through the Discord AMA. The date will be announced. Then the Mint website over here on the launch, 27th of the 4th. The finalized whitelist is on the 28th. The pre-mint's on the 29th. The mint is on the 30th. And to be determined is the first club perk announced. Take a screenshot of this if you can and keep it in your radar. Now, you heard me talk about the club before. I wanted to show you this cool image I have. Bronze, 1 NFT. Silver is 5 NFT. Gold is 20 NFTs. And diamond is 50 plus NFTs. That's how you get in this club. That's the level you get onto. I'm not telling you to go and use your whole life savings to try and get diamond to get in there. But if you have money to spare, if you have money that you're willing to use, why not get in this club and get some free perks? In their Discord, I just wanted to show you that they've got some crazy giveaways coming on. All you have to physically do is just click the button. Keep your eyes open, because a lot of things are coming out from here for whitelist, free NFTs, things like that, okay? Want you to see that. They do have Matic Cash giveaways as well. You can see here, good luck to everyone. Click on the fire, get involved. It's so simple, you could get something for free. Whitelist spots, giveaways as well. We have everything you could want, could think of, okay? They have Metaverse partnership announcements, all that kind of thing. Go into the announcements channels, really look through the Discord, have a look for everything you want to see. You can see here where it announced with tanks. Do your own research, please. Let me know in the comments if you're in the Discord, if you like it, if you're engaging, and get in the chat and say hi to me. I'll say hi to you back, maybe we can connect. Now, finishing off swiftly with the Twitter, we have 2,080 followers. They only started in December. It's really good. I see a lot of people in there that are involved around the sort of metaverse space. There's not massive influencers already in there, which is a good sign, purely because we're getting in super early. But there is people in there with notable experience in what we're talking about. Now, you can do the giveaways on here as well. You can just react with things, join the Discord, react to the giveaway bot, or you can just start commenting and getting really engaging into the community. And sometimes they pick people out and say, hey, this Twitter name, you're in, you're getting a whitelist, you're getting a free NFT, things like that. So make sure you react, make sure you do stuff. You can see some previews. There is a lot of benefits of reacting to Twitter's commenting, liking, retweets, things like that, because they notice you, and then you may be able to become one of the founding, I won't say members, but founding DAO partners is how I like to say it. People that will get value from being early into the community. So have a look at that. The links will be down below. As always, I'm going to shoot to the summary. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments, please. I'm really excited. I've been looking for ways that we could maybe connect the metaverse, looking for projects that thought of them. I have seen a few and none of them really took my eye. The team behind this channel has found the greatest way that you can connect these together, and I do believe it's this. So if you liked it, hit that like button, please. Smash that subscribe button as hard as you can. You'll get more notifications so you can see my beautiful face and the great team behind us that can find some cool projects to review. That being said, I'll see you on the next video.